Hello, aviation fans. Imagine a fighter jet so advanced it blends stealth, speed, and intelligence like never before. Today, we're diving inside the world's most futuristic fighter jet concept, where technology meets imagination and the future of air combat takes flight. Stay tuned, because what you'll see might just blow your mind. Today, we're exploring something truly extraordinary, the world's most advanced fighter jet concept and technology. You may think you've seen cutting-edge jets before, but what we're about to reveal goes far beyond any F-35 or Su-57. Modern fighter jets have already pushed the limits of speed, maneuverability, and stealth, but this concept takes it to an entirely new level. Imagine a jet that can think, adapt, and react in milliseconds, all while remaining virtually invisible to radar. From its ultra-aerodynamic shape to its revolutionary propulsion system, every part of this aircraft is designed for dominance in the skies. We'll explore not only the hardware, but also the software, AI, and futuristic design philosophies that make this concept unique. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast, a tech lover, or just curious about the future of warfare, this journey is for you. By the end of this video, you'll see how advanced air combat could look in the next decade and why this jet might redefine the rules of aerial superiority. The first feature that sets this jet apart is its jaw-dropping aerodynamic design. Every curve, every angle, and every surface is optimized for both speed and stealth. Unlike traditional jets that rely on simple delta wings or canards, this concept uses a blended wing body design that reduces drag while maximizing lift. The fuselage is crafted from adaptive materials, allowing parts of the aircraft to morph mid-flight for optimal maneuverability. Imagine flying at Mach 2 while performing tight, almost impossible aerial maneuvers. The design alone allows this. In addition, the surface of the jet incorporates radar, absorbing coatings that make it virtually invisible to modern tracking systems. Even the intakes for engines are cleverly hidden within the body, further minimizing radar signature. Engineers are also experimenting with nano-structured materials that not only reduce weight, but can self-repair minor damages during flight. This combination of stealth, agility, and resilience ensures the aircraft can dominate both dogfights and long-range missions. In short, the aerodynamic design isn't just about looking futuristic, it's a functional masterpiece designed to outperform any current aircraft in existence. The propulsion system of this next-gen fighter is nothing short of revolutionary. Traditional jet engines rely on afterburners and fuel-intensive designs, but this concept introduces adaptive thrust vectoring combined with hybrid electric propulsion. This means the aircraft can switch between supersonic speed for combat and ultra-efficient cruising modes for stealth missions. With thrust vectoring, the jet can perform sharp turns and sudden climbs with minimal loss of speed, something impossible for older jets. Additionally, engineers are experimenting with plasma-assisted engines that can potentially reduce heat signatures, making the aircraft harder to detect by infrared sensors. Fuel efficiency is also drastically improved, allowing the jet to cover thousands of kilometers without refueling. Another fascinating feature is the integration of AI-driven engine management systems, which constantly monitor air pressure, temperature, and fuel flow, adjusting performance for maximum efficiency and safety. Essentially, the propulsion system gives the pilot, or the AI, unprecedented control over every aspect of flight, blending speed, stealth, and agility in a way no jet before has achieved. Stealth is a critical focus for this aircraft, and it goes far beyond conventional radar absorption. Every component is designed to minimize detection, from the shape of the fuselage to the internal weapons bays. External weapons are housed inside the aircraft, eliminating drag and radar reflections. The materials used on the jet's surface are engineered at a microscopic level to scatter radar waves, making it extremely difficult to track. Thermal management systems reduce the infrared signature, preventing heat-seeking missiles from locking on. Even sound is minimized with engine nacelles and exhaust systems designed to reduce acoustic footprint. But perhaps the most impressive innovation is the integration of AI-driven stealth management. Sensors constantly scan the environment, adjusting coatings, engine output, and even flight altitude in real time to stay invisible to enemy radar. In an era where detection equals vulnerability, this stealth system ensures the jet can operate deep behind enemy lines, conduct reconnaissance, or strike high-value targets, all without being seen. It's a technology that literally makes the jet a ghost in the sky. The brains of this fighter jet are as impressive as its body. Advanced avionics integrate AI, real-time data fusion, and predictive analytics to give pilots situational awareness like never before. Imagine having all enemy positions, friendly units, weather, and mission objectives displayed seamlessly in a 360-degree view. Holographic displays, augmented reality helmets, and voice-activated systems allow pilots to stay focused while commanding the aircraft's full capabilities. AI copilots can take over routine maneuvers or execute complex combat sequences, reducing pilot workload and reaction times to mere milliseconds. Sensors embedded across the aircraft can detect everything from electronic signals to micro movements of enemy aircraft, while smart targeting systems calculate the optimal strike path. Essentially, the avionics turned this jet into a living system, constantly adapting to threats and opportunities in the air. It's not just flying a plane, it's commanding a technological extension of your own senses. This fighter concept features a weapons suit designed for maximum versatility and surprise. Gone are the days of external missile racks that compromise stealth. Internal bays house a mix of air-to-air to ground and electronic warfare systems. Smart missiles can autonomously adjust their flight paths mid-air to evade defenses, while directed energy weapons, still in prototype stages, offer near instantaneous targeting and firing capabilities. AI integration ensures weapons are always ready, predicting enemy movements and suggesting the best tactical approach. Even non-lethal electronic attack options are integrated, allowing the jet to disable enemy sensors or communications silently. Combined with precision, guided munitions, and long-range strike capabilities, this aircraft can operate as a dominant force across multiple theaters of combat. The weapon systems are essentially designed to be invisible, smart, and devastating, all while keeping the pilot in total control. Artificial intelligence is the true game changer in this concept. Beyond assisting with navigation and targeting, AI actively manages every subsystem of the aircraft. It predicts threats, adjusts flight dynamics, optimizes energy usage, and even recommends tactical maneuvers during combat. Some designs are exploring semi-autonomous missions where the AI can execute objectives if the pilot is incapacitated or when stealth is critical. Machine learning algorithms allow the jet to adapt based on enemy tactics, learning from every encounter to improve survivability and efficiency. Essentially, this aircraft isn't just flown, it thinks, adapts, and evolves. By combining human intuition with AI's computational speed, pilots gain superhuman abilities in the cockpit. It's a step beyond automation. It's a symbiotic relationship between human and machine that could redefine aerial warfare. Cutting-edge sensors are embedded throughout the jet to provide unmatched situational awareness. From multispectral cameras to advanced radar arrays, these sensors can detect threats beyond visual range, track multiple targets simultaneously, and even sense electronic emissions from enemy systems. Integrated AI fuses all this data into a coherent picture, allowing pilots to make lightning-fast decisions. Some sensors are adaptive, capable of adjusting their modes to counter stealth technology or electronic interference. For reconnaissance, the jet can map terrain, identify hidden installations, and relay intelligence in real time to command centers. Essentially, the sensor suite turns the aircraft into both a hunter and a guardian, capable of detecting danger and exploiting opportunities before anyone else even knows they exist. This level of awareness is a massive leap from conventional fighter jets and a critical factor in dominating future aerial battles. Even with all this technology, the pilot remains central to the experience. Cockpits are designed ergonomically with augmented reality displays, haptic feedback controls, and adaptive interfaces that respond to both hands and voice commands. The AI supports the pilot, not replaces them, allowing focus on decision-making rather than mechanical operation. Pilots experience reduced G-force stress thanks to adaptive flight control systems and advanced seat technology. In-flight communication is enhanced by secure, real-time data links that provide instant situational updates. Every control is intuitive, almost an extension of the pilot's instincts, making it possible to execute complex maneuvers at speeds and angles that would overwhelm human reflexes alone. Essentially, flying this fighter is not just controlling a machine, it's experiencing the future of aviation in the most immersive way imaginable. The potential of this fighter jet concept extends far beyond today's battlefield. Its combination of stealth, speed, AI integration, and adaptive systems could change the way nations think about air superiority. This jet is more than a machine. It's a vision of the future where technology and human skill merge seamlessly. Imagine a world where air combat is dominated not by brute force, but by intelligence, precision, and adaptability. As we look ahead, concepts like this may define global military strategy and aerospace innovation for decades. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of fighter jets, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our next exploration into cutting-edge technology. Also, comment below which feature of this jet amazed you the most. Let's start a conversation.